What's up guys? You know, I'm surprised at how projectors have become cheaper in the last couple of months. Today we will be testing one of the most affordable projectors on the market, but it has really good features such as Full HD native resolution, 400 ANSI or 12,000 lumens brightness, dual band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support. This projector is only $89 on Amazon, and you can even apply a $30 off coupon, so the final price for you will be only $59. To be honest, I still cannot understand why this projector is so cheap. Let's do a full review of it and try to figure out what is the catch. You are watching Tech Brothers YouTube channel. Please subscribe. I forgot to tell you the name of this projector. You can read it on the box, HANWIND. However, I didn't find the model. If you decide to buy this projector, I will leave the link in description under the video. Inside the box we have a user manual, a warranty card, and an important FAQ. Of course, there is a projector in a box, as well as accessories to it, such as power cable, HDMI cable, AV cable, and remote control. By the way, you can also choose a TV stick, a tripod stand, or a Bluetooth speaker as a gift from the manufacturer. You need to contact them by email. That's very good. If we talk about the design of the HANWIND projector, first of all, it is bigger and heavier than other budget projectors I have tested lately. I don't want to say that this is a bad thing, because a larger size can provide better cooling. We will check it out later. The dimensions of HANWIND projector are 235 by 190 by 95 mm. The weight is 1455 grams. The body is made of white plastic, and only the lens on the front, the ports on the side, the power connector on the back, the focus and keystone correction wheels on the top are black. There is an I/O receiver on the front and back of the projector. When it comes to the connectivity, the new HANWIND projector has AUX, AV, TF card slot, HDMI and USB. You can use the buttons at the top to control the projector, as well as the remote. You know, the remote control is made of cheap plastic, but it is convenient to use. By the way, if you think the speaker is located at the back of projector, it is not. The speaker is actually at the bottom. There is also a kickstand to raise the front of the projector, but I don't see a tripod mount. However, you can buy a multifunction laptop tripod for this projector, which looks like this. So HANWIND projector is bigger and heavier than other budget projectors in 2023, but I like the design and build quality of it. Now let's turn on the projector and look at the interface. On the home page we can go to the media and then select movie, music and photo. Among the input sources are home, HDMI and AV. We also have settings, DLNA, iOS cast and Mirrorcast on the home page. Talking about the settings menu, first we can turn on the Bluetooth and search the new device. We will talk about Bluetooth connection a little later. There's also a network here, and we will talk about it later too. In the picture settings, we can change a picture mode, contrast, brightness, color, tint, sharpness, color temperature and noise reduction. There are also different sound modes available on this projector, but to be honest, I don't notice much difference between them. Finally, you can change the language, reset settings, software update, OTA upgrade, and change projection mode on this projector. So I promise to tell you about Wi-Fi network and smartphone connection. First, you need to go to the settings menu and select network information. Now scan for the new Wi-Fi network and connect to your access point. If you have done it right, you will see the Wi-Fi icon on the main screen. Now go to the Mirrorcast or iOS cast, depending on which smartphone you have, Android or iOS. Finally, take your mobile device, open the screen mirroring and select the projector. By the way, there is dual band Wi-Fi support, so the latency is low. You can watch videos or even play games. When it comes to Bluetooth connection, you also need to go to the settings menu, turn on Bluetooth and search for new devices. In my case, it is a small Bluetooth speaker, but you can connect a bigger one or even headphones. However, I don't think you will need it, because a built-in speaker is good enough, both for watching movies and listening to music. The fan is quite noisy, but if you watch a movie, it doesn't disturb much. The noise level near projector is 54 decibels. And it is about 44 decibels at 1 meter. To be honest, I didn't have high expectations for picture quality from a $60 projector. However, it is not bad. Yes, the edges are a little blurry, but this is a problem with many budget projectors. The image in the center is very clear, and you can even read small text. The native resolution of this projector is really 1080p. I also like the colors. They are very rich and bright. If we talk about brightness, to be honest, I don't believe there is a 400 ANSI. I can't prove it because I don't have a light meter, but from my experience I think the brightness is a little less than stated. In any case, you can watch dark movies on this projector, not to mention games or sports matches.
Luring a strike force into the Persian Gulf.
The President is sending you to stop a war before it starts. Not butter or crumpet. Welcome to London. I thought I might stay over tonight.
Why?
Because we're girls my boyfriend.
To do what?
I'm actually not sure. Your wall here. Outcast. That's all they see.
I see.
The way of water connects all things. Kicks it back out. He wants the ball in his hands. And he draws the foul from Rudy Gobert. At half court, Rudy Gobert, no need to foul in that situation. He does his best.
Brilliant, lay down.
Is to move it just short. So it's 31. Go for the sink and they have it easily. They're fourth in the NFL in that category this year. 3rd and 7. Where it's on the give. And people may say...
Gears, I'm dead. Not quite. There are 3 sets of gears, so you have 9 targets. You need to change your firing position after each set. Roger that. Raven out.
Mobile devices. If you are standing now, please sit down, because you might fall over when you find out the total battery life of these earbuds. The manufacturer promises 30 days of battery life after the case and earbuds are fully charged. In a room with a bright light, you can still play games or watch sports, but not dark movies. Exciting earbuds called Lenovo X20. The main feature of these earbuds is an ear clip design. To be honest, I haven't tested. So I am surprised at how affordable projectors have become. As a HANWIND projector now costs only $59, but a similar projector just 6 months ago would have cost you $200. It has everything you need for the home theater, such as good image quality with rich colors, quality built-in speaker, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. You can connect a game console and play games on a big screen, or a TV stick and watch YouTube, Netflix, and other streaming services. So a set of projector and TV stick will cost you less than $100. That's awesome! Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!